What is good, everybody? The craziest thing just happened to me right now. I was literally on my way to work. I just was about to pull into the yard, and then I was looking over in that direction over there, and I just seen the craziest thing. It was looking like a meteor. First, like a shooting star, and then I quickly realized, you know, they had the thing like the SpaceX launch where everybody thought that that was like a meteor or a UFO, and it was just, you know, Elon Musk. But the thing is, I'm 390 miles away from Los Angeles, so why the hell would there be some kind of a SpaceX launch out here? And I doubt we have any rockets out here. We're in the middle of nowhere. I'm 45 minutes south of Sacramento, right in the middle of nothing, so I guess that would be the perfect place for this stuff to happen, but not very likely. So anyways, I do know that there is a military base over there because we do deliveries there all the time, and the trail that it was leaving was just freaking crazy, and it got really bright, like how bright it is right now, for probably about 20 or 30 seconds. So that's when I first noticed it and pulled out my... What is that? There it is. You can see the smoke coming up over there. It's literally just glowing up there. At first I thought it was coming down. The thing that's weird about that right there, that up, is that's a military base over there. I hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe, like the video if you want. If you don't, I don't really care. Do what you want to do. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.